Put a little flavor in your hot sauce. Whoa! Oh yeah!
What kind of sauce would you like?
What's up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the Arthur Wayne hot sauce series. This one is the Montana Rooster, and boy, is it good. Okay, so we've got, I opened it to taste it on a little bit of food, and the only reason I opened it is because I started filming. After I got done, the entire background was blurry. Then my battery died. Here we are, a third try. This sauce here is really, really flavorful, and I'm not being paid to do this. I'm just doing it for the love of hot sauce and to bring honest reviews to my fans and to you, the viewers. I can't thank enough for all the subscribers, likes, follows, comments, all that good stuff. On with the show. You can see the white label. It was shrunk in a white cap here, or well, it got a white cap, but it was shrunk in a white shrink wrap. As you can see here, it's blood red, and the thickness is sort of a light to medium thickness here. It coats the bottle nicely, not quite as well as the dime sauce. It's pretty good. You can see all the little bits and chunks in there of peppers, and it's got very, very microscopic seeds in there. Without further ado, let's read the label. If it's not right, it's not hot. If it's not hot, it's not right. Dyslexic here. Our mission is not to be the biggest hot sauce company, but to be the best. Montana Rooster was created to fill in the gaps for sriracha lovers. This sriracha uses 5 traditional ingredients with the addition of fruit. The sweet, tangy pepper sauce with a kick is what you'll get when opening a bottle of this tasty sauce. And that is right on the mark. There's no lie there. What you'll get when opening a bottle of this tasty sauce, Montana Rooster will not burn your face off, but will bring the right amount of heat to the table. Enjoy. Says 4 out of 10. Ingredients, peppers are red Fresno and habanero. I'm assuming that's where it gets its color from, the red Fresno. White vinegar, pineapple, organic sugar, garlic, and salt. www.arthurwaynehotsauce.com. And it's got 140 milligrams of sodium. And they're on Instagram based on their bottle here. I know they're on Instagram, and it's at Arthur Wayne Hot Sauce. I believe they're also on Twitter and Facebook and all the normal social websites out there. All right, let's get into the tasting. Let's shake it. Like, subscribe, do the cha-cha, do the cha-cha. Okay, that was lame. Okay. I don't know why I'm smiling. App. Oh, it's just a thing of beauty. The smell of this thing is amazing. I could smell the pineapple and the habanero. It's just so good. All right, I got my spoon here. It smells sweet. You can smell a little bit of spice in there. So good. All right, I got a nice good chunk there, or a good spoonful there. Here we go. Immediately, you get the spicy right up front. It's pepper forward, and you can taste the sweetness of it almost immediately after. Right after you feel the heat, you taste that nice pineapple flavor, and it is just a really good sauce. I would say that you could probably put this on like a breakfast burrito, or like some sausage or something breakfasty, because it's a fruit-based sriracha, and it is. Let's see. I could also see it on I could see it on tacos. I could see it on pizza. And because of my love for hot sauce, I would probably just put this just about on anything. Rice dishes would be good in it. Yeah, the pizza, it reminds me, like, if you put it on like a veggie lovers pizza or maybe a Hawaiian pizza, like with pineapples and stuff, it would probably be good on that. It kind of reminds me of hot sauce. It reminds me of a pizza bottled in a Hawaiian pizza bottled in a sauce with just the right kick to it, not too hot. Now, if you're not used to spices, I'm going to say this again, if you're not used to spices, then this might be a little on the upper end for you as far as spicy hot sauces go. I find it very, very tolerable. It very minute amount of heat, not too bad. All right, so let's get into scores. So I'm going to start with the label. The label is pretty good. I like the artwork on it. It's a rooster, as you can see. Rooster looks really mean, and let me tell you, I've come across some mean roosters in my life. So it's got human teeth though, so that's a little off-putting and very scary. I like the black, the white and black, and the only main issue I have with the label is that it covers the entire bottle. So I think if it were a shorter, fatter bottle, then maybe we could see a little bit more of the sauce, because with the white shrink wrap, it goes like all the way down to here, and then you only see this little sliver of blood red sauce. I would probably knock some points off for the label just because of that, but otherwise, great artwork, great label. 0 out of 2, I would give it probably 1.25, 1.25. Let's go with 1.5. We can't knock 3/4 off just because the label's all the way around the bottle. It's a pretty rock solid label. It gives you all the information you need with a little backstory, so that's great. I love being able to read about the backstory of it. Even the nutrition facts are not hard to read at all. And the flavor is kicking, man. It is so good. I'm not big on fruit stuff, but this is something that I would use, and I would probably buy this again just because of the flavor. I'm going to give it a full 3 because it is that good. Heat, 0 out of 3. I would give it probably a half a point. It's not hot. It's not really that hot, and it doesn't stay with you at all. So yeah, half a point on that. And then the ingredients, I would say the ingredients, 0 out of 2, I would say, I'll give it a middle of the road. Let's say 1.25, because it has organic sugar in it. I really don't like the fact that they're adding sugar to the sauce, although I do understand it, but I feel like the pineapple would be sweet enough. So adding organic sugar to it, albeit probably a small portion, here it's 1 gram of carbs, 1 gram sugar. It says it includes 0 added sugar, so I don't know. It says organic sugar. I would assume that would be added sugar. So I would say 1.25 on that. The ingredients mix really well together, so that's one thing it has going for it, which is why I didn't give it 1. And the other thing that I really like about the ingredients is there's no fillers. There's no xanthan gum or other crap that you would put in it to preserve it. So yeah, 1.25 on that. And then the thickness, consistency, I'll give it 0 out of 2. I'll give it I'll give it a 1.5, because it's not too thick, not too runny, but it is just a little runny for my liking. It coats the bottle nicely, you can see that. So yeah, that's my scores, and I'll put that score up over here on the right, on my right, on your left, of what I gave this score, what scores totaled up to. It's a really solid sauce. I really enjoy it. It's very niche though, so it's not something that you would typically think of picking up just to have a hot bottle of hot sauce. But if you want something that's not too hot, that you would just want to put a little kick on with massive amounts of flavor, I would definitely pick this one up and probably use it every morning for anything that I would put on breakfast or pizza or like a breakfast burrito. All right, so amazing sauce. Arthur, again, you did a fantastic job with this sauce. I really enjoyed it. It's been amazing. I am blown away by how good this stuff is. And again, I'm not being paid or being sponsored to promote these. I'm just doing it because I love these sauces that much. So he did send me the bottles, so in all inclusion, yeah, I haven't been disappointed so far. Go try it. Go try it right now because it's really good. High score points. I love it. Thank you very much. Go get your sauce on. Oh yeah.
What kind of sauce would you like?